Turmeric benefits. Turmeric, a bright yellow-orange spice commonly used in South Asian cuisine, has been prized for centuries for its medicinal properties. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is primarily responsible for its health benefits. Extensive research has demonstrated that turmeric offers a range of positive effects, from boosting overall well-being to preventing and treating specific diseases. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties, such as NF-κB. Unlike pharmaceutical drugs that target inflammation, turmeric does not carry the risk of harmful side effects. This makes it a highly attractive alternative for people looking to manage inflammation naturally. One of the most widely known benefits of turmeric is its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key contributor to many modern diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that works by blocking molecules that play significant roles in the inflammatory process, such as NF-κB. Unlike pharmaceutical drugs that target inflammation,
turmeric does not carry the risk of harmful side effects. This makes it a highly attractive alternative for people looking to manage inflammation naturally. 2. Antioxidant benefits. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Curcumin not only helps neutralize these free radicals but also boosts the activity of the body's own antioxidant enzymes.
This double action allows turmeric to combat oxidative stress more effectively than many other compounds, helping to protect the body from cell damage and contributing to overall longevity. 3. Boosts immune function. Turmeric has immune modulatory effects, meaning it can help regulate the immune system. A properly functioning immune system is crucial for fighting off infections and diseases. While an overactive immune response can lead to autoimmune conditions where the body attacks its own tissues, turmeric, through its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helps to balance immune responses, enhancing the body's ability to resist infections and reducing the risk of autoimmune flare-ups.
4. Improves brain function and lowers the risk of brain diseases. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, which allows it to directly benefit brain health. One of the main drivers of cognitive decline, including Alzheimer's disease, is a buildup of plaques called amyloid plaques. Curcumin has been shown to help clear these plaques, which may slow or even prevent the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, curcumin can increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth of new neurons and fights degenerative processes in the brain. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to several brain disorders, including depression and Alzheimer's. 5. Supports heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but turmeric offers a range of benefits that can help support cardiovascular health. Curcumin improves the function of the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels. This is critical for regulating blood pressure, blood clotting, and other vital cardiovascular functions. Studies have shown that curcumin improves endothelial function as effectively as some prescription medications. Additionally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties reduce the chronic inflammation that plays a role in heart disease development. These are most 5 effective benefits of using turmeric. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.